Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about component of food, 6th standard, second chapter. Then, did you have your food everyone? Yeah, maybe morning everyone had the food. Then let us know today what we are going to learn. Food and ingredients, nutrients, component of food, carbohydrate and protein also we are going to learn. Then we know that we are eating food. Variety of food items we are eating daily. Yes, then each food items is made up of two or more materials. These materials are called ingredients. What is that? What is ingredients? The food items is made up of two or more materials. This material we can call it as a ingredients. Then we know that our mother is cooking chapati. That time, what are the things they are taking, materials they are taking? They are taking what? Wheat flour, we know wheat flour. Then they are taking water, salt. This all they are taking and adding and mixing. Then after that they are making the chapati. These three materials we can say as different ingredients. Yes or no? That we know. Then why we are eating food? Why we are eating food? We know that if we are eating food items, we will eat. If we are eating food, we will be get energy. And next one, we can grow. After eating food items only, we will be grow. Then for all the functions of our body need what? Food. If you are not getting food, what will happen? Then the body will be what? Tired, and each one will be having what? Hungry feeling. Then the next question, from where we are getting this food? We are getting these food items from where? Plants and animals. The next one, each food items containing different components. Each food items containing different components. These components are called nutrients. Each food items contain different components. Each components are called nutrients. We know that we are eating chapati, we are eating fish, we are eating meat and milk, egg. These all items contain different types of components are called nutrients. We have to know what are the nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals and water. These are the nutrients. What are the nutrients? Let us revise: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals and water. These are the nutrients. Then we have to know what are the carbohydrate contained food items, protein contained food items and all we have to learn in this chapter. Let us check. First one, carbohydrate or starch. We can call it as a starch. Carbohydrate is an energy giving food. Carbohydrate is an energy giving food. If you are eating carbohydrate rich containing food items, we will be getting energy. That means mostly carbohydrate containing food items are potato, rice, wheat, banana. These are the fruits. These are the carbohydrate containing food items. Then we have to know how to check the presence of carbohydrate in food. Then first of all we have to take a what? A food item. That means if you are taking a potato, then if we are taking a potato, after that we will be take what? 2-3 drops of iodine solution. What is this solution? Iodine solution. We will be taking 2-3 drops of iodine solution and pour into the what? Surface of the potato. We have to take the 2-3 drops of iodine solution and pour into the what? Surface of potato. Then after that we can see that the blue black color is coming on the surface of that potato. This is the presence of what? Carbohydrate or starch. That means how we can check the carbohydrate presence? Take the food items, add 2-3 drops of iodine solution. The color is changed into blue black. This is the presence of iodine solution. This is the presence of carbohydrate. The next one, protein. Protein is a body building food. If you are eating protein contained food items, our body become grow. That means body built. Then the examples of protein contained food items are meat, fish, egg, grams, and beans, so many nuts and seeds. These are contains what? Protein. Then we have to know what? How to check the presence of protein. Then first of all, this is a test tube, you have to know. Yes, this is a test tube. Then first of all, we are taking the food items. We can take it food into a form of powder. Okay. Then we are taking a food items and add the water into that food items. We will be taking a food item into the test tube and add water. Shake it well. Then after that, we have to take a copper sulfate solution. Do you know this blue color solution is called what? Copper sulfate solution. What is? Repeat it. Copper sulfate solution. We will be adding 2 drops of copper sulfate solution into this test tube. This test tube already it is what? Food with water. Yes. Then we will be adding 2 drops of copper sulfate solution into the test tube. Then 10 drops of caustic soda solution. 10 drops of caustic soda solution also we added. Then shake it well. After that, we can see that this solution is changed into violet color. If the solution is changed into violet color, we can say that the food items containing what? Protein. How to check the protein in food items? We can say that first we have to take the food items, then make it as a powder and put it into the test tube. Add the water, shake it well. After we will be adding the blue color, which solution? Copper sulfate solution into the test tube. 10 drops of what? Caustic soda into the test tube. Shake it well. After the color is changed into violet color is the presence of protein. Understood? What we learned today? Carbohydrate and protein. Carbohydrate we can check it with what? Food items. Above the food items we have to add what? Iodine solution. But in protein what we are adding? Copper sulfate solution and caustic soda. After that the color is changed into violet color is the presence of what? Protein. Carbohydrate is a which type of food items? Energy giving food. Protein is a what? Protein is a body building food item. The next we can learn in the next class. Okay, bye. Thank you.